Thought you might want a quick update about the storm. I think everything's going to be fine in the mini greenhouses. I don't think it touched 31 for more than an hour last night. It snowed pretty hard at midnight. But most of it's melting off. There were a lot of parts of Oklahoma that got hit harder than us, and there's a lot of parts of the United States that are getting hit pretty hard right now. You're all in our prayers. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Wednesday, January 25th. Now, I only got screen under part of this, so I did have to get the water off. But look up underneath there. I'm not going to uncover the rest of this. It's supposed to get pretty cold tonight, and it's only in the low 40s right now. Garlic is doing just fine. Being overcast like this and in the 40s, it's okay to leave your mini greenhouses covered up. If it got a little warmer than that, mid 50s, sun was out, we'd want to uncover them. We don't want them to cook in there. But there's no need to stress them out. I don't know how well I can trust the forecast. Looks like Friday we'll go ahead and open these up, see what we got. I hope you join me for that. Seems kind of odd, a man standing here in the snow telling you can go ahead and plant. If you want to see what we planted in December, click that link right there. If you want to see about easy cold frames, click that link right there, and I'll meet you right back here in the garden. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.